Ow. 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 What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy. I hope you all are happy too. If not, I'm sending you love. You know what? Even if you are, I'm sending you even more love, even more abundance, even more peace, all of that beauty that comes with life when you're in tune and present. So thank y'all for coming. This week, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about how to have neat locks. So I'm going to show y'all a video right now of one of my loyalist longtime clients. Her name is Kristen. I call her Kristen without the IG because that girl refuses to make any social media. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all a video of her hair. This woman has been coming to me from day one. I did do her install. She's install number 16. If y'all want to follow her entire journey, you can follow her with my IG or follow her on my IG, however you say it. I'm going to tag my Instagram in the description, and I'm also posting right here how y'all can spell my name. It's Instagram Locswithkayla. So this is a video of her hair so you guys can see what I mean when I say having neat locks. Her locks are consistent. There's not lumps present. There's not frizz everywhere. There's not holes. None of those weird things that you see sometimes with locks when you're inconsistent. So yeah, let me get into though how to have your locks become neat. Okay, so the first tip that I want to give you all to have neat locks is definitely do braid outs or styling as often as you can. So the thing about Kristen is this is rare that I'm actually seeing her hair straight. Kristen always wears her hair curly. She loves braid outs. She likes them for the volume, but I love that she does them because it makes her locks smash in together and stay smashed for an extended period of time. So when you press your locks, kind of like how I do mine sometimes, like in these pipe cleaner twists. Oh, if y'all want to see how to do this style, watch this video right here. I literally just last week covered how to do this style. So this is how my hair turned out when I did my 2-strand twist. And I just did some bangs right here. I guess these are barrel rolls or whatever you want to call them. And this is just twisted buns that I put some door knocker accessories on for my girl Megan. Shout out to Megan Thee Stallion. It's Aquarius season, baby. Mwah, 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 mwah. But anywho, do braid outs, do styles, stuff that's gonna, any type of style that's gonna keep your hair smashed together. I definitely encourage, and I love braid outs specifically because they give you a really nice curl. So it's two plus, killing 2 birds, 1 stone. Okay. Also, moisturize your hair. That's tip number 2. I always recommend to moisturize, but especially if you want neat locks, the stronger the hair shaft, the more consistent your hair will be. You're not going to have frizz everywhere because you're not going to have hair that's constantly breaking. So to keep your hair from breaking and to keep it long, healthy, and straight, moisturize your scalp. Highly recommend using castor oil, of course, coconut oil if your pores are open, i.e. fresh out of the shower. Argan oil is really good too, and I really like avocado oil. So definitely try out some of those oils if you feel like your hair is lacking in the sheen, strength, and soft section of life. Number 3, color your hair. So this I feel like is very slept on. A lot of people feel like their hair isn't cute because of it looks ashy or it looks dry. Most of the time it's just probably brown or like an ashy gray, because like even if you look at my hair up close, you'll be like, oh damn, your hair looks dry or it looks lackluster. My stuff just brown. Like it hit different when it's all black and when it's all one color. Even if I dyed my hair all brown, at least it would be a nice even tone. So if you want something consistent, go out of your way and make it all consistent. So color your hair. I highly recommend it. Number 4, this I feel like is also slept on like really bad. only have one consultant, only have one loctician. Kristen, once again, I go back to her because I love her hair. She is my lock crush, but Kristen has only ever came to me. That girl has never tried to do her own hair, even though she took the class, the Sister Locks class, which if you want to know how to do that, watch my video here. I did a video on that too. But the girl has never went to any other consultant. She's never gone past the 8 to 10 week mark for her retightening, which I'm going to get to that too. She's never had anyone else touch her hair. So her hair is strictly one pattern from one consultant with one tension. Like, everything is consistent to me. So if you have a bunch of people, that's like, so like with Sister Locks especially, or locks, well, anything, you wouldn't go to one person to start your braids and then another person to finish your braids and then another person to finish that braid. That's essentially what it's like when you have locks and you're constantly switching consultants or locticians. Your hair starts to show as it grows down the different techniques that those people use, because every single consultant, I don't care if y'all went to the same class the same day at the same time with the same teacher, you're going to do it differently. It's just how it works. So make sure that you're going to the same person as often as possible. And if that means taking a little longer to start your journey until you find someone that you really, really, really are comfortable with, then do that. Because trust me, long term, you're going to be so much happier that you took that extra time in the beginning than spending months or years when you're already knee deep, shoulder deep in the process, trying to find someone who knows what's best for you. So go to one person, be a loyal client, be a consistent client. You'll have consistent locks. Number 5, get retightnings regularly. So this is what I was saying about Kristen. She is always at the beginning of her lock journey. With Sister Locks, it's recommended to get a retightening every 4 to 6 weeks. She was there every 4 to 6 weeks. When her hair was fully locked and she could go to 6 to 8 weeks, every 6 to 8 weeks, that girl is there. So I highly recommend staying on a regular retightening schedule so that your hair doesn't get to the point where it's weaker or just not healthy, or there's things that are going on that your loctician can't catch and correct, because all of that stuff is easily able to be fixed if you are having if you're making the space for it. So just be attentive. Make sure you are on a schedule and that you're getting your locks groomed and retightened regularly. And number 6, this is the last tip. Keep your locks separated. If you start to see that your locks are matting, if you start to see that you're going freeform, girl, pull those locks apart. Because I can tell you 10 times out of 10, it is going to leave one lock thicker and one lock thinner than the other one. So definitely pull your locks apart and do it while they're wet, preferably, just so that it eases or prevents as much breakage as possible. But yeah, pull your locks apart so that they're not matting together and not becoming frizzy. And yeah, that's it. Thank you all so much for joining me this week. If it's your first time here, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. You can do any of these 3. They all help support me, which I am so grateful for. Your girl do not want to work for the rest of her life, so y'all help a sister out. Also, follow me on Instagram. You can find that link below, but it is Instagram at Locswithkayla. Am I rocking any black people things today? I actually don't think so. I am looking for someone to be a brand ambassador for. Me and Lulu are still rocking tight, but if you have any awesome black owned, preferably sustainable or vegan products that you want to promote, your girl is here and I do it for free. So contact me, okay? Y'all have a blessed rest of your day and see you next week.